Hello everyone, this is my review of the Techpicco front tow hooks. The first thing I notice is the fit. They're made specifically for the 2024 to 26 models. So the mounting holes lined up and the install was straightforward with no significant modifications. That kind of precision makes a big difference. Next, the build quality stood out. The hooks are made of heat-quality aluminum, finished in blue, orange, or red, so they both look rugged and withstand the elements. When you step out or need to use them with a winch or recovery strap, they feel trustworthy. Another big win. The design is low profile but still functional. They don't stick out awkwardly or ruin the factory look, yet they are ready to serve when you need them. For someone who dabbles in off-road or adventurous scenarios, this is a nice blend of form plus utility. Although the installation is quite manageable, you'll still need the proper tools and a bit of time. Overall, if you drive one of the compatible model years and want a strong, fitting tow hook setup that enhances capability without looking out of place, then this is the ideal solution. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.